What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll post a video every week, every Friday, so you don't miss an upload. But anyway, today I'm going to be installing some LED interior lights. And I also got these LED side markers from Auto Addict. I currently have the stock side markers on the rear bumper. I used to have some LED ones, but they went out, so I went ahead and ordered some new ones. Then I got these LED interior lights for the interior, the glove box, and the trunk. So let's go ahead and get those installed, and yeah. All right, so first we're going to start with the LED interior lights. I'm going to go ahead and start with the map lights here. You just got to get this removed. It just pops right out, and then get the bulbs out. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so we got this removed. Now you just gotta remove the bulb, which is in here. You can see, replace it with the new one. Alright, so there's one. This pops right off. And then there's a new one. Oh, there's a new one right there. Got it right there. Just make sure they work. Hell yeah. So again, just make sure they both work. And we'll just put them back in here. Put them back in there. Just pop this thing back in place. And there you go. It's way better than the stock yellow lights. Before we do the glove box, we'll do the vanity lights. So first you got to take these covers off, like these lenses right here, and then there's going to be some screwdrivers. You just unscrew, and then this whole thing just comes back. What I did to get these lenses off is I got like a little blade. You just get on the corner right here and just pry it so it comes out. Alright, so I got those two out, and now there's a little screwdriver right here, another one right here. Let's get a screwdriver, and then get these loose, and the whole thing should come off. Alright, now that I got this off, get access to these bolts right here. Just pop them out and then put the new ones on. So then right here you get the new ones. Just pop them in. The other one, pop it in, and then to test them out, there's this little tab right here. Just pull it down. There you go. They work. Now we're just gonna put this back together, and then same thing for this other side. And then there you go. Got the vanity lights on, and the map lights. You'll be able to see it better at night, but I'll record that whenever it gets darker. But yeah, so far looks pretty good. And then now move on to the trunk. I mean, not the trunk, the glove box. The light, you see it right there. Alright, so there we go. Got it out. There's a bulb in here. Just pop that out. Get your new bulb. Hopefully my camera doesn't die. It's on 1%, bro. Gotta do this quick. And there you go. Got the glove box light in. Now all we need is a trunk. Alright, moving on to the trunk side. So you can see lights right here. Slide this to the right, and the housing comes off. Bolts are right here. Alright, got the new one in right here, connected to this connector right here, and there you go. Just put it back in place. Pop it back in, slide it to the left, and that's it. All right, so now for the rear LED side markers. So I got these from Auto Addict. I'll have the link in the description. Comes with a little bracelet. Here they are. Pretty sick. These are pretty easy, just plug and play. Just kind of complicated to get them out sometimes, but hell yeah, it's gonna look way better. Yes, sir. Looks way better. Alright, so this is how it kind of looks like at night. It's already dark. God damn! Yeah, these are bright. The vanity. And the other one. Yeah, they're bright, bro. The glove box. Yeah, I'm happy how it turned out. Right now I'm gonna wash the car a little bit, and then I'm gonna head to the store, film some reels, get a few shots of the car, some pictures, and yeah, let's go. First time testing out this camera mount, so I'm just watching to make sure it doesn't fall. I mean, so far it's pretty good. It's holding. But right now, I'm gonna wash the car real quick, and then see if I can get a few videos. We'll see.
Follow the instructions on the credit card reader. Tap the red cancel button to go.
I know it's better to give it a wash by hand, but I just wanted to give it a quick rinse. Dry it off real quick so I can go film some stuff. Some videos for the gram. Oh yeah, there's the mount. The new mount I got. Just a suction mount right here. And I also have another attachment that I can use for GoPros. So I'm gonna test that out too. I mean, yeah, it's pretty on there, it's sturdy. I actually got this from the TikTok shop. So I mean, there's some good things on there. Not bad. Alright guys, so this is how the car looks like at night. Got the lights right there. Vanity lights. This is how the LED side markers look like. Clean, boy. You can't notice it too much right now because of the lights at the gas station, but it looks good. I'm actually happy with how these turned out. They're not too bright but not too dark. Yeah, she cleans up pretty nice. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.